Hello students, welcome to today's session, class 10th, English. Name of lesson is A Letter to God. Now the code for this lesson is 445.110060101.2805. As you know, we call it ID. Now this letter to God, I'll give you model reading and then word meaning uh, for this lesson. Explanation we will be doing later once you understand the whole text. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. From this height one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. Now we are really going to get some water, woman. The woman who was preparing supper replied, Yes, God willing. The older boys were working in the field, while the smaller ones were playing near the house, until the woman called them all, Come for dinner. It was during the meal that, just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body, and when he returned, he exclaimed, These are not raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. The big drops are 10-cent pieces, and the little ones are fives. Now let us see the important words and their meanings. Now what is a crust? That is top of a hill. Dotted, full of. Downpour, when it rains heavily. Very heavy rainfall we call downpour. Intimately, closely. Explained, cry out suddenly in surprise or strong emotion or pain. Well students, as you are aware of, you have to prepare an audio of what has just been covered so that we can work on your pronunciation and spoken English part. Now we move to your second audio work. With a satisfied expression he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain very large hailstones began to fall. These truly did resemble new silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls, regarded or consider or think of in a specified way. It is really getting bad now, explained the man. I hope it passes quickly. It did not pass quickly. For an hour the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. The field was white as if covered with salt. The farmer now starts worrying and hopes that the storm gets over quickly, which to his utmost disappointment did not. The hailstones covered the entire valley, including the house, garden, hillside, and the cornfield. It made everything look so white that it seemed as if it was covered in salt. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, A plague of locusts would have left more than this. This hail has left nothing. This year we will have no corn. That night was a sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. There is no one who can help us. we will all go hungry this year. Now, really very, it's, somehow he was very happy with the type of crop he was. Probably he thought he would be having, but then that's what happened. Anyhow, we just go to the meanings. Draped, adorn, cover, or wrap. Hailstones, a pellet of hail, resemble, have a similar appearance to, or qualities in common with something or someone, as you may take it, look or seem like. Exposing, make, that is something visible by uncovering it, or you can say reveal. Plague, a destructively numerous inflow or multiplication of a harmful animal or infestation. Well, student, bubonic plague is really very dangerous. Now, locusts, insects which fly in big groups and destroy crops. This is second audio, so you have to prepare these two audios and upload on the website or as the communication means available for assessment. All the best. Bye.